As a global leader in testing services, we ensure your polyurethane foam meets the highest standards. ASTM D3574-2021 is the benchmark for testing flexible polyurethane foam. At CDG Inspection, precision is our promise. Our cutting-edge labs deliver fast, reliable results tailored to your needs. Our testing services benefit industries like furniture, bedding, and automotive. Where comfort meets quality, CDG Inspection delivers. Compression force deflection testing ensures your foam provides the comfort and support your customers expect. We assess the durability of foam under stress, so your products stand the test of time. Tear resistance testing reveals how well foam withstands sharp objects and external forces, ensuring durability. Density testing ensures your foam meets structural and comfort requirements, balancing performance and quality. Fatigue testing simulates long-term use, providing insights into the lifespan of your product. Humidity and aging tests show how foam reacts to extreme conditions, such as heat and moisture. Need something unique? We offer customized testing solutions to meet your specific needs. Certified test reports provide complete traceability, giving you confidence in your product's compliance. CDG Inspection serves clients across multiple continents with consistent excellence. Discover more and make an inquiry at www.cdginspection.com. Partner with us today. Where quality meets precision, your partner for ASTM D3574-2021 foam testing services.